Hey there, folks. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of frugality and budgeting with a single farm worker who's been navigating the challenges of redundancy and a tight food budget. This rural dweller has some seriously impressive budgeting skills, and I'm here to share their secrets and insights with you all. So, let's get started. First things first, this individual has been through a tough time with redundancy, but they've managed to keep their expenses low and their income steady through consulting and milking work. Their weekly income averages around $500 to $600 after tax, which is a tight budget, especially with just one person in the household. Now, onto the supermarket shopping. This person is a master of budgeting and making the most of their money. They only go to the supermarket every few weeks, spending anywhere between $70 to $100. Their secret weapon? Making everything from scratch. They do their own baking, meal prep, and freezing, which allows them to get 4 to 7 meals out of 500 grams of meat. Talk about maximizing your food budget. One of the key insights here is the importance of making things yourself. By making their own muesli bars and baking their own bread, they're saving money and getting better tasting food. They also grow their own lettuce in the summer, which keeps them in fresh produce for months. It's a brilliant strategy to reduce costs and increase control over the quality of your food. Another interesting aspect is their approach to essentials. They prioritize milk, fruit, and vegetables, as well as dairy products. They're quite stingy with their spending, making their own bread and yogurt, and even making their own muesli bars. This shows a real understanding of what's essential and what's not, allowing them to stretch their budget further. Now, let's talk about the luxuries. This person does indulge in a few treats, like salon shampoo for their difficult hair, which they order online to find the best deals. They also enjoy the occasional dinner out with friends, but it's a rare treat. And when it comes to alcohol, they're a bit of a moderate drinker, only buying a few bottles of wine occasionally. One thing that stands out is their love for frugality. They find that making things themselves results in better taste and quality. They encourage viewers to get back to basics with cookbooks and recipes, as there's a lot of expensive, low-quality food out there. It's a refreshing perspective, and it's clear that this person has a real talent for budgeting and living within their means. In conclusion, this single farm worker has navigated redundancy and a tight budget with impressive budgeting skills. They've mastered the art of making the most of their money, growing their own food, and making everything from scratch. Their advice to get back to basics and cook from scratch is a valuable takeaway for anyone looking to save money and live a more frugal lifestyle. So, there you have it, folks. Until next time, keep budgeting and living your best life.